All right, here we go. BradWillis, congratulations. Winning a free box of Jackass. Here we go. Good luck. Can we get our first non-silver or red box? That doesn't really matter. It's a silver. No, 0. I've watched enough to it does not matter. It's just purely collectible and a chase fun element to it that it does not affect the inside of the box. You do the first time you open them, they're like stuck. All right, get that on the ground. Bing, bada bang, bada boom. I want all the naughty ones. All right, here we go. Oh, there's the one. The first hose rodeo, or the fire hose rodeo. Sorry. He got the full on Godzilla though. Autograph version. Oh man. I love like the rookie cards. Great. Francis Ngannou on the chrome. Hi, I'm Dave England. Saving it. The fart mask. Oh man, I about barfed like watching that scene. Oh my gosh. Wasn't even a fart mask. It was to take a dump. Man, we are 2 packs to go. What is going on here? What is going on here? Behind the lens. Oh, we got something here. No, I thought we did. That is our first box that didn't have a parallel. It wasn't like, that's our first non-paralleled pack. Hey, go. Got it. You got it. Is that parallel? Oh. Luck of the draw, but of course you. I'm just throwing this in because we can't do that. Oh, okay. Wow. Ezekiel Duran auto to 15 from Ultimate Draft. No one has ever accused me of making good choices. Ezekiel Duran, 10 of 15, throwing that bad boy in the box. Brad, there you have it, brother.